Okay, so today I'm a doggy, so I made myself a bowl. I know you guys want to learn how to fold this. Now I'm going to show you how to make it. Let's go! Okay, so for the dog bowl, you will need a square paper. You can use any size. I'm using Kami. If you are using Kami, big and right side up, fold in half. Unfold, rotate and fold in half in this direction. I haven't memorized the steps really good, so this will be a long way. So now rotate, and I am going to fold diagonally half in both directions. So first like this. Fold in half in this direction. So we are folding in half in both the directions. So much noise, right? Unfold. Now we have to fold this edge to this crease, not the diagonal crease, but this crease. See, not the diagonal. The sleeping line. Or if you are like this, then the standing line. Do the same thing on this side. Okay, so this is called the door base. See, two doors. Congratulations, you have learned what is a door base. Okay, now you have to fold this edge to this edge. Make sure you have really sharp fold. Do the same thing on this side. When you are done like this should be a double door base. Congratulations, you know what's a double door base. Ha ha ha. Okay. Now this is, I think the back side. So now what we are going to do is we are going to fold this edge to this point where this crease and this crease, the two diagonal folds, so remember these two folds meet together. So here, see, oops, that's too high. Here, you know when you are doing it in your paper. So now we are going to fold this edge to that point. Make sure this is sharp. If you don't have this fold, just estimate it by folding it here. Do the same thing on this side. So where this crease and this crease meet. Okay, this is the back side. Turn over and you see this fold. This is called the mountain, which is like a mountain, and this is called the valley, which is like a valley. Okay, so we are going to pinch this mountain fold and we are going to fold it up. How much? Well, we are making a pleat, so this is a pleat. You pinch this mountain and fold it up to make a new crease here. This is to taste. You can fold it anywhere. So this is what it looks like from this side. It was like this. We just folded it up like this. Now we are going to do the same thing on this side. So pinch the mountain, fold it up, not too far, but like this. It's just like a paper fan, but we are not doing a paper fan. So it's like this. Okay. Now turn over. Now you see this edge. We are going to fold this edge up, not to this middle edge, but are going to fold it about like this. You just want to estimate it that this length is equal to this length, which is called thirds. Just estimate it and just go through all the paper, and when you see that the paper is not lying flat, we have to lie it flat by squashing this triangles. This. That is called the squash fold. If you don't understand, I'm going to show you in this side again. We have to do the same thing on this side. So take this flap, fold it up so that this length is equal to that length, and now have to fold it till these 2 points, and it should not lie flat, so we just have to squash fold it like that. Okay, so this is like a weightlifter. Okay, now you are like this. We are now going to do a tricky step, but this is optional. If you like it like this, like a weightlifter, you are done. But if you want to make the dog bone, keep watching. This is a tricky fold. You take this flap and this flap, so you're taking the white flap and the colored flap, same thing on this side, and we are going to fold them up like this, like this. So they are like this triangle, and we are going to do the same thing on this side. So take these 2 flaps, fold them down, take these 2 flaps and fold them down. Okay, now we are going to make that creases of the bone. Well, I don't eat bone, so I don't know how to do that. We are just going to, now you have to turn over like this. We are going to fold this flap behind on this edge and this edge, so you feel it when you do it from this side. I'm demonstrating you from this side, so you understand. If you don't understand, I'm going to show you this side. Just like this. Now we are going to turn over like this, and we are going to now round the bone. So hold this corner down, hold this corner down, hold this flap up, hold this flap up. This side also. We are almost done, you guys. Wow, it's 7 minutes. Okay. Now, you see we have done this upper part of the bone. Now we just have to do the edges of the bone. So, just shape this to taste. If you can see it, then good. If you can't see it, just do it like paper, okay? If you have done this dog bone, congratulations. You have made the dog bone. I'm just going to write origami dog bone. Origami dog bone. Exclamation mark. And now we are done. So there is your origami dog bone, and today is 15th August. So to all the people that are watching my YouTube channel from India, I want to wish you a happy Independence Day. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel Arman Space. Bye until the next video comes on Arman Space.